very busy out here. Everywhere is busy, guys. But this with me, my friend, my buddy, Melon. Bye.
This is
Hello,
my chef.
hello. Say hi, Melon. Guys, we're cooking. He's cooking Bangladesh food, which is the curry, chicken curry, and I'm cooking my Filipino or Chinese food noodles. Right? Hello, guys. Yeah. See that. Yummy. That's the cracker and the biscuits over there. Hi guys, it's me again, Zaldi, sharing you the wonderful place. Hi guys, this is me, Saudi again, sharing you the wonderful place. I am now down from the bridge of the Khalifa. I was there. Sorry, here. It's very cool, guys. It's very relaxing. The fresh is so, the air is so clean, rather. It's very fresh. Wow, what a world. Bodies of water out there. This is just my small bar. Actually, my back is so small.